This is kind of ugly. I'm still a little bit nervous that we paid $540 and they took it like that.
Yeah.
House is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,951 square feet. The house has been abandoned for a while.
Yikes. Right. I'm honestly a bit scared to go inside. Is Jeff meeting us here?
He's actually on the way right now. He got the permits for the house. All right, the key should be in here. There's glass everywhere. Hello? Someone vandalized this house.
Oh, jeez.
I don't understand. Someone just came in here and trashed the place or what?
Oh, my God. Oh.
I think someone vandalized it.
Yeah, you think? Jeez, that's
Glad I wore my
nuts.
rugged boots. This kitchen is really funky. This is so odd. Look, it's like there's this wall into this like weird little mudroom.
This is the old back of the house. This is the kitchen window to
Yeah.
the backyard. I think it's unpermitted. Look at this over here. All right, so they already stole the water heater, right? That's gonna cost us how much?
Almost 1,000.
$1,000 bucks. Redo this kitchen, what, 10 grand?
About 11.
Let's go check out the rest.
I'm not liking this house very
It is
much.
kind of funky, dude.
Wait, what's going on back here? Oh, tell me this. You got the permits, right?
I did.
Uh-oh.
The den can't be permitted.
There's no way. Look at that like step up right there. This is totally not permitted.
Look at
This
this.
is like at a complete slope. Look how
Well,
low.
I don't know. Because
there's no way
no,
this is permitted.
Like, check it out. We do show quite a few things on the permits.
What is that, from 1912? You can't even read them.
19, yeah, right? 1969.
How do you find these houses?
Patio might have been permitted as an open patio cover.
Oh, God.
And then maybe they converted it to a den.
I mean, this is terrible.
It says something about a pool.
Pool? What?
That is not the pool. There's no way that's the pool.
Stop
Wait,
it.
that looks like a roof.
Oh, my God.
That's not like a patio cover somebody took down?
What did we buy?
We bought over 100 houses, and I've never seen this. What is it?
That looks like a roof of a commercial building. Oh, wow. This place is way worse than I thought.
It's creepy. It's so, like, uninviting.
The ceilings are low and the space looks terrible.
Let's go check out the rest.
Oh, wow. They kicked in the doors. Nothing much. What, a couple grand? Clean it up, new floor, paint. All right, well. Oh, they even broke the windows in here.
This is crazy. Oh.
Oh, it smells good.
Look at the toilet.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Let's just call this like 7 grand from out here. And
Yep.
that's terrible, dude.
Yeah. Well, this is the master suite. Well, that's good. It has its own bathroom. It's the most, like, tiny shower.
So I think instead of having the shower run this way, we take it and we swap it and we throw it in like that.
Right.
So how much is that? Like 8 grand, 9 grand?
For the bathroom, yes. Probably another 1,500 or 2,000 to move all the plumbing.
All right, well, let's just take this backyard
Plastic.
in for a second. The concrete around the pool looks okay. We have a block wall. We don't have broken fence. So let's just say, like, off the top of your head, let's safe to say this whole job's gonna cost about 90.
I think you're over 90 inside. With the equipment, replastering the pool, dude, I have no idea until we pull that cover off.
All right, let's drag that sucker off. What do we got?
No. Oh.
Wow, that is nasty. The den totally drops down. Just has such a big slope. Look at the difference between me and you.
Uh-huh.
Right.
It's terrible. Jeff, how much do you think it would cost just to pour all new concrete in here, raise it to the same level as the rest of the house?
Couple thousand.
I mean, the question is, if we don't level out the floors, is it gonna prevent a buyer from buying the house?
Probably going to be something that could trigger, like, well, if this is wrong, then what else didn't they take care of, right?
Let's just level it.
Okay. Since it was raining earlier,
Yeah?
everything here is
Uh-oh.
sloping towards the house.
Uh-oh.
I mean, you can see how much is just ponding there.
Uh-oh.
The other issue is out here,
Wow.
all this slope goes from the pool to the house.
It is sloping like almost vertical into the house.
Right. 1,500 or so?
$1,500 just to add a drain?
Yeah.
And then how much is it gonna be if we're gonna bring up this concrete over here?
3,000 to 4,000.
Oh, gosh. That's a lot of money.
We really don't have a choice, so I guess just do it. I should have known about this when we bought the house.
Yeah.
Like, we are gonna lose our butts on this house. I love the coloring. Once we get the backsplash in, this kitchen's gonna be dialed.
Yeah, will do.
Looks so pretty.
Looks good, right?
Oh my gosh, I love it. We picked a really good backsplash for here. It's beautiful. I love the color scheme. I like the flooring. It's really coming together.
All right. Now I gotta figure out what to list this thing for. This house right here is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1951 square feet. We paid $540 for the house. We ended up putting $117,000 into the remodel, which is a ton. Closing costs and commission when we sell the house are about $30,000, so our break even is about $687.
That's a lot.
That is a lot. And so the bad news with this house is since we bought it, the comps have actually dropped.
Oh.
So the first comparable, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,900 square feet, sold for $685,000.
$685 is what it sold for?
Yeah, our break even $687.
Well, that's not good news.
This is the comp that I feel is good for us, although it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Just sold.
That's not a comp.
Sold for $785.
What do you want to list at?
$799.9. $799.9. But the house is gorgeous. It came out fantastic, and we do have a pool. So I feel like
Let's just give it a shot just because I'm curious what's going to happen.
let's get out of here. $799.9.
$799.9.
All right.
Way too high. House actually looks nice.
I'm shocked. I absolutely love it. Oh, and I have a surprise inside for you.
The fireplace. The tile looks so nice. Overall, the room looks great. I love the natural light. It's a really big room.
And bam, look at that kitchen.
Oh my gosh, I love the backsplash and the floating shelves. I love the color combination, and now this room actually feels like part of the house.
But now that it's all done, I think it looks perfect.
You can tell that this room could be used for an additional family room, and then I like how they did a formal dining room.
I like it. It's a cute bedroom. Look at this.
Yeah, remember before it had that wallpaper? Looks nice.
Looks really good. Bedroom number 2. I love the windows.
All right,
And this is the bathroom that's gonna sell the house because of my custom gray grout.
Overall, it's a cute bathroom.
Cute bathroom. The biggest transformation was the master. Because before, the shower was in the middle. Do you remember that?
Yeah, the layout was horrible. Now it's functional. We have a beautiful shower. That white grout is sparkling, double vanity. This bathroom's definitely gonna sell the house. Wow, so sparkling out here. Pool tile looks nice.
Yeah, I love the steps. I like that we put the little squares right there. I mean, super clean pool. It's a nice looking house.
800 grand, huh?
$799.9.
Oh, wow. This would be good for entertaining. You could have a party, people sitting here, there. Look at how much space there is.
All the windows looking into the backyard. It's really nice.
So it turns out that $799.9 was more than buyers were willing to pay for the house, so we ended up accepting an offer for $770,000.